Hello everybody and welcome to Fresno, California. I'm spending one night at the La Quinta Inn in Fresno Yosemite Hotel. This is located in downtown Fresno, California. It's not too far from Yosemite National Park. In fact, I believe most people that stay at this hotel or in Fresno are either going to or arriving from Yosemite National Park, which is actually amazing. Well, I just grabbed my nose, so that means I'm lying, but no, honestly, Yosemite is wonderful. There was some fire at Yosemite, but now things are cleared up and we had a wonderful time at the giant sequoias. I'm spending one night at this hotel, and I think this is a regular room. This has been renovated recently. I can feel that this is a newly remodeled room. The room is 327 and this is located on the third floor, which is the second floor with European standards, and it doesn't really have a view because it's overlooking the courtyard, and so it's advised to pull the covers because if anyone passes by in front of your room, then they can just look into the room. Now it has two large beds. Well, they're not large, they are quite small. So I think this room is suitable for two adults, one sleeping on each bed. But I believe they sell it as a room for four adults, and you can put two and two on these beds. But actually, no, it's very comfortable. Wow, it's super comfortable. But honestly, having two people on this bed, it's just a little too not comfortable. There are three pillows, very nice, and actually the design is really cool with this purple and the pictures and the black and these shady things, awesome. So there is a phone. Interestingly, it doesn't say what number is reception front desk, but it's usually 0, so I just called 0 when I wanted to have something arranged. There's also an alarm clock, plenty of storage with the Bible. Air conditioning, obviously. There is a full-size mirror and plenty of storage with a TV, an ice machine, and some mood lights. If you open the wardrobe, no thrills. You have 4 hangers and an ironing board, an iron, and a holder for your carry-on luggage. There's a nice desk area. On one side you can enjoy a nice meal. Ta-da! Or on the other side, you can do some office work. And there are plugs right next to the desk, which is awesome. It has 3 regular American standard plugs, and it also has 2 USB plugs, and there are additional plugs under the table. Now, unfortunately, I didn't find any plugs next to the bed. Let me double check. No, not even on the side of the... No, there are no plugs next to the bed. This is a connecting room, I believe, because there is a door. Probably there's someone on the other side. This is the bathroom area. The lights are, well, they're not so friendly. A large area, but this is in an open space with the room. Only the bathroom, the toilet and the tub is located in a place that you can actually lock, but this one you cannot lock. It has a coffee machine with free coffee, and let's see. Yeah, the bathroom, well, they could have done a little more upgrading in the bathroom too, but actually it's fine. Woke up on the bright side, that's awesome. Finally, some unique creative message. Products, what do we have? We have a Pantene shampoo. Smells good. Daily moisture renewal shampoo and some soap. Well, no thrills, plenty of fluffy pillows, and that's the room. You get free Wi-Fi, and there's also complimentary breakfast at the hotel. There's a pool, there is an IHOP, International House of Pancakes, and restaurant on one side of the hotel, and there's a Mexican restaurant on the other side of the hotel that I'm going to try out right now. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the other 360 videos of different hotel rooms and reviews, and see you at the next adventure. Bye.